Welcome back to another interesting tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to install HandBrake on your Windows PC, whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your browser. And after you open up your browser, come to the address bar right here and go ahead and make sure you visit the official website of handbrake.fr. Hit enter on your keyboard, and then it's going to take you to the official webpage of the HandBrake. Reason you will love HandBrake: convert video from nearly any format, free and open source, multi-platform window is for Mac and Linux, just like so. Now here you have download HandBrake 1.11.1 for Windows 10 and later, which simply means that whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, you can use this version. So for that, go ahead and hit on download right here. I'm going to click on download, and then it's going to take us right here. So here, so next thing you want, this is going to pump up right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you hit on save right here. Now, if your download does not start automatically, please click the file name below. So you can also download if your download is not pump up automatically. So you can see, so this is the GPG signature and then GPG public key, as the case may be. Then these are the instructions. We provide an installation guide within our documentation, so you can read details right here. So after you have successfully downloaded, let's go ahead and find out the setup right here. So you can see the setup has completely downloaded. Let's see how we can run the setup and install this particular HandBrake on our Windows PC. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize my browser, and I have to go ahead and bring out my download folder right here. So here we go. So I'm going to go ahead and click on. So you can see the HandBrake setup right here. So what you want to do is to click on the setup and then press enter key on your keyboard. And then next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on yes, just like so. Welcome to HandBrake. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on next. Then read the detail right here. Read the detail right here. You are now aware of the rights. Click on next and continue right here. And then click on install. Create desktop shortcuts. Go ahead and make sure you click on finished. Just like so, you have HandBrake successfully installed on your PC. Now let us launch the HandBrake. So go ahead and click on the icon on the desktop shortcut, hit enter. So you must install .NET Desktop Runtime to run this application. Go ahead and click on download it now. Thank you for downloading .NET 10 Desktop Runtime, Windows 64. Go ahead and click on save right here. So we want to make sure this is downloaded completely. This is the runtime setup. So after a successful download the runtime setup, we can minimize my web browser. Then we go back to our download folder right here. So we want to make sure this is the setup right here. So go ahead and click on the runtime setup. Press enter key on your keyboard to complete the runtime setup with the HandBrake. So just like so. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on install. Click on yes. Installation successfully completed. Thank you for installing Microsoft Windows Desktop Runtime. You can now run the application that require the .NET Windows Desktop Runtime. Go ahead and click on close. Next thing we want to do is to go back to our HandBrake right here from the desktop icon here. Press enter key on it. And we have our HandBrake successfully open right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use HandBrake, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.